With this video, I want to make sure that everyone, no matter where, learn to wheelie. Cause wheelie is a great way to impress your friends and of course look cool on your cycle. To make sure it happens, I made this video as detailed and crisp as possible. With that said, follow the steps in the video and I promise you'll get your first wheelie in just a few minutes. Step 1. Air pressure and the seat position. The recommended pressure is around 25 to 30 psi. This supports to keep the back wheel straight and produce a long stable wheelie. One of the biggest problems is overbalancing and falling backward off your bike. Set your seat at a medium height. This supports your balance and makes the trick easier. Step 2. Decide the bike gear and the pace. Set your bike to a low gear between 1.1 or 1.3 to practice. Then get on your bike and start pedaling to build up a little speed. You should aim for walking pace. This will give you just enough speed before pulling off a wheelie. Step 3. Pedal position and the kick. As you are cycling, find out which is your stronger foot. Cycle that foot around until it is at the 2 o'clock position on your pedal. Then, kick down on that pedal sharply to quickly accelerate. As you do this, hold on to the handlebars and lean backward to pull the front of the bike off the ground. Let us recall the steps one by one. To begin with, you maintain a walking pace. You then get the pedal to the 2 o'clock position and give it a sharp kick. With that, you lift off the front wheel and also lean backward at the same time. Moving on to the final and the most important step, weight and the balance point. Once you have lifted the cycle off the ground and if you feel yourself tilting to one side, then slightly shift your weight to the other side or turn the handlebars the other way. You must also focus on not pushing too much of your weight behind to prevent any fall. If you feel like you are going to fall behind, which you may, then make sure to have your fingers covering the rear brake. So just in case you go too far in the back, then a little tap on your rear brake will keep you forward and support in maintaining the balance point. I would suggest you to rewind the video and watch the finger tapping process carefully. Start shifting your weight back and forth on the bike to try and find a point of balance. Cause once you have lifted the cycle off the ground, the game is all about managing your weight and finding your balance point. Rewind and watch the steps again carefully. Give more attention to the details and learn the trick faster.
Like the video if you enjoyed, subscribe to the channel. He's on his bike, I am on the penny board. Share the video with your wheelie buddy and comment down below the next trick which you want to learn. Bye bye. Peace, peace, peace. बोल दिया ना सब कुछ बाकी नहीं बचा ना. Life's great.